So 3D printing is making it possible to do science faster and cheaper. My name is Elvin Munoz and I design, verify 3D printed components. With engineering, there's multiple iterations. You never get it right the first time, so the 3D printers make it easier for us to be able to print something out and test it if it fits. I'm working actually on something that might be used in the future. I grew up working in food orchards at a young age to help my parents financially. So I decided to apply to the SULI program. It's just getting the real-world engineering experience, being able to see the work that other engineers do firsthand. It's just been the best experience I've had.